Isinagawa ng Philippine National Police sa pamamagitan ng Directorate for Education and Training ang Strategic Planning Workshop on Addressing Malpractices in PNP Training Institutions noong Hunyo 3, 2026 sa Maringal Hall, Camp Crame, Quezon City. Pinangunahan ni Police Major General Bowen Joey M. Masauding, Director ng Directorate for Education and Training, ang pagsasagawa ng workshop kasama ang DET Command Group, mga kinatawan ng PNP Training Institutions, Executive Officers at Training Managers. Dumalo rin sa aktibidad si Police Lieutenant General Nery Vincent D. Ignacio, the Chief Directorial Staff bilang panauhin pandangal at Head of the Panelist, kasama ang iba pang key stakeholders at mga resource speakers mula sa Royal Malaysia Police, Homeland Security Investigations Manila, at United States Embassy.
Let us embrace innovation, transparency, and collaboration in shaping reforms that will have a lasting impact in our organization.
Sa kanilang mga talakayan, ibinahagi ng mga resource speakers ang international best practices, reform initiatives, ethical leadership, institutional accountability, at mga pamamaraan upang maiwasan ang pang-aabuso at malpractices sa training environment.
Again, protection mechanisms for the recruits and transparency in this whole process. This is a great public relations opportunity for you, and one of the big impacts of this is going to be a more trusted police, more trust from the public for the Philippine National Police. So by publicizing that and creating transparency, I think you'll have a very positive impact.
Matapos ang mga talakayan, sumailalim sa breakout sessions ang mga participants upang bumuo ng strategic recommendations, targets at action plans na tutugon sa mga pangunahing issue sa training institutions. Inihanda ng bawat grupo ang kanilang mga output batay sa mga natukoy na problema, proposed interventions, responsible offices, timelines, at performance indicators.
A broader issues within the PNP which is preventing the creation of a truly professionalized graduates and institution. Despite issues everywhere, our group believes that there is big hope and chance for the training institution to produce a new culture of trainees loyal to the institution and to the rule of law and focus on their duty to serve and protect the public impartially.
Ayon sa isa sa mga panelists, mahalaga na ang mga strategic output ay maging praktikal, nasusukat at tuloy-tuloy na naipapatupad sa bawat training institution.
Doon sa goal po ninyo. Kasi po, pagdating po sa mga indicators, medyo mga output level po yun eh. Because you want to change the gender malpractices. Therefore, dapat, from your current state, where there is a gender-based malpractices, what will be the results after 3 years?
Bilang pagpapatibay ng kanilang paninindigan, sabay-sabay na binigkas ng mga participants ang Pledge of Commitment at nilagdaan ang pledge wall. Sa pamamagitan nito, muling pinatunayan ng PNP ang kolektibong paninindigan nito laban sa anumang uri ng pang-aabuso, kaharasan, korupsyon at misconduct sa hanin ng mga training institutions.
We will develop solutions. We need to strengthen the system. We need to institutionalize safeguards. Karapatan nyo na hindi dapat maapektuhan yung mga karapatan ninyo. You have the rights to report. And most importantly, lead by example. Because every reform we introduce today will influence the generations of police officers tomorrow.
Matapos ang workshop, sa turnover ng mga output sa Directorate for Education and Training bilang gabay sa pagbuo ng 3-year strategic plan para sa mas ligtas, profesional, values-oriented at accountable na training institutions.
I would like to emphasize two things. First is collaboration among all stakeholders of the PNP. Meaning to say, an avenue or a room wherein all concerned units are gathered together to talk and thresh out problems. And secondly is the willingness to voice out gap identified in our training institution.
Mula dito sa tanggapan ng tagapag-ugnay ng Pambansang Pulisya, ako ang inyong Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolman Lubimir Julian. Bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas, serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.